Dear friends, followers of S Healthcare CNM TV, this is the moment to present to you a therapeutic home garden. A therapeutic home garden provide many items as you see them in this garden. Well, many people do not understand how therapeutic is a beautiful garden where you can collect vegetables like those amaranth, as you see them, where you can find nasturtium or capsicum French, that one with a pink flower, where you can find Artemisia annua, which can be very, very helpful for degenerating your liver, for fighting malaria, for even fighting anemia, and most importantly, fighting breast cancer in women. This garden is planted on the cement. It's not in the field as you can think. No. It is on the cement, in the home. But how comes these vegetables can be beautiful like this without soil? That is a very good question. Well, it is possible. Every home have opportunity to get what we call food waste. Food waste are those peelings you remove from matoke, from potatoes, from any food you peel. Those scrap should not be thrown away or put in the garbage for just giving them to those who collect waste. No. You select them, you put in a specific garbage, then you give them what is not, what you don't need. But these leaves from trees, these food waste or debris, just collect them, put in a bag, and when they start to perish, or to degenerate, then it is time to put them in a specific place, and you cover them with the sand. So you have your area prepared for planting your vegetables, beautiful like these ones. Meaning in this dry season, you can have vegetables to feed your body. Look at how your body is built and what it needs. My friend, what is built in these organs are nothing else, food. Yeah, stinging nettle, you can see it. It is part of the immune boosting plants. So this garden, everyone can make it, but you need to be serious and determined, because you need to spend some time to care on this garden to look beautiful like this. Well, not only that, you see lemon, which is a very, very beautiful. And you know that the leaves of lemon can be used as a tea substitute, meaning you can make a tea using these lemon leaves, and that tea help digestion. Those people with the poor digestion, you know, most people in this dry season, they get a challenge in digesting food. Do you know what? Everybody can get a problem of difficulties in digesting food during a warm weather. You ask me why? Because warm weather tend to affect our internal enzymes. So those enzymes tend to be weak, especially digestive enzymes. So because of that heat outside the body, that's why most people eat food in this time and do not digest them. You eat breakfast and you fidget until evening and you feel unwell. Most people at this time start dozing. Why dozing? Because the body is very tired. Your liver is not well. When you doze at this time, daytime, meaning your liver is giving you a warning that it is tired. It needs help. What can help your liver? Artemisia annua. That is the best plant you can ever use to help your liver functioning properly, because it can help the protein synthesis in the liver, amino acids, synthesizing amino acids together to form proteins. It can help to boost immune system in your liver. It can help to protect new cells which are formed in your liver so that they may not die when they are not mature. You know, blood cells take time to mature until they get old. Do you know how many days your red blood cells take to die, to get old, to be replaced? 120 days. Yes, you have understood very well. 120 days. But what does it mean? Well, you know, even the child in the womb takes 120 days to be formed, fully created in the womb of a woman. Look at this water, which is watering these vegetables. Well, as you need water, even the plant need water. Even though the plants give us oxygen daytime, and we exchange to them, giving them carbon dioxide. Yeah, the air, the bad air we throw out through breathing and other all means humans and animals use to expel carbon dioxide. That one goes in exchange with oxygen we get from plants. So that's why plants also need water so that they may form oxygen in the body. When the water reaches the soil, there is a process which is made there. So, and even using the sunshine, there's a photosynthesis which the plants use to make their own blood, and they get the green color. So this therapeutic garden, you can get more things. Stinging nettle for all type of inflammation, for stimulating milk, women, breastfeeding women, galactogen. And you can find many more things here. You can find many more. You can find those vegetables And that plant, that mint, that is mint. Mint with stinging nettle, they can make a very therapeutic tea, which can clean your blood and boost your immune system. Why don't you do it at your home? Everyone can do it. You see, this stinging nettle is planted in a jerrycan, is in a cut jerrycan, not in the soil. So meaning everybody can do it. Yeah, we do this because of you. This papaya is planted on the cement as well. But by which means, yeah, soil covering. We use what we call soil covering. We just take the compost from our different leaves we collect from our trees. Even those which fall on their own, we collect them. We put them in one place. We add in the food waste. Then after the compost has been ready, we put it in a specific place. Then we cover with the sand. Then we have the soil to plant anything we want, including papaya and stinging nettle. Even this Plantago major. You see that every kind of vegetable can be planted at home. You don't need a big land to have a therapeutic garden. No way. You have only to be determined and be courageous and to have a good way of doing it. You know that many of these plants are food source and they are loaded with the antioxidants, meaning this garden is playing many roles. One role is to bring a beautiful environment. A beautiful environment. When you see beautiful vegetables, beautiful flowers, something is made in your mind. You feel happy and the days of living increase in you. Meaning, those people who want to live better, I encourage them, make sure that you surround yourself with beautiful garden, but not any plant, but plants which you can use even as food remedies or as food, like amaranth and other type of vegetables. Yeah, not just the plant you can look at them and finish from there. Yeah, you think twice because the world has changed. So that's why people should increase knowledge in whatever they do. Be sober in selecting what you plant around you. Do I need just the trees which are useless? No way. Why don't I plant papaya and avocado and mango and lemon? Those plants, they have leaves. You can use them as medicinal plants, and they can yield the fruits which can play a role of food. And even muravumba. Muravumba is very beautiful. We use it. Well, even at night, it expels mosquitoes, which means it is a mosquito repellent. When you burn the fresh leaves of muravumba, they repel all kind of mosquitoes. Meaning, when you have muravumba, you have a cheap mosquito repellent. You cannot spend much money using chemicals around you. You know that even those chemicals, sometimes to use them in your garden are harmful because they have some poisons which can affect the health of your plants. So make sure that you use natural plants which can play many roles. This muravumba around here can also provide medicine for sore throat and the cough. Yeah, even the fever. When you have fever, you can correct this nastatam and that chamomile and the muravumba. You make a juice and you spread that juice over your body, mixing with some little bit olive oil, and then you cover your body, and within a short time the fever is down without consuming any other medication. How does it work? Well, those phytochemicals containing the muravumba and nastatam and chamomile, they penetrate in the blood through the skin. Then they help immune system to fight off invader, causing that fever. Then the fever is down. Remember that your plants should be fed with water at the right time. Never use the water when there is a very strong sunshine. Use it when you see that the sunshine is reduced, so that you may not spread water on the top. Then the sunshine can burn your vegetables. Make sure when you put water in the garden, you don't have to put on the leaves. When the sunshine is very hot, you put on the soil so that you feed them from the soil. Yeah, and pouring water, you can use it evening or early in the morning. Brothers, sisters, dear followers of SLKSNM TV, this garden you can make it yourself. It is not a big deal. It is just the things you can do. Sometimes you have to spend some money for providing some things you need, because the sun, that water you pay, these things also you need to make some budgeting for this garden. Well, you budget for everything so that you may not get unwell when you see your garden is not beautiful as you will. Yeah, but when you see it well and beautiful, attractive, you feel better, and you feel immediately the flow of happy hormones within you. Then in the evening you collect some leaves and you wash them, and some of them you can use as vegetable, cook. Some of them you can use as a salads, others you can use as a tea. So all those things are possible to do. Well, we have so many information to give in this garden, but the secret is that you don't need the soil for having a such garden. I repeat again, you don't need the land to have this garden. What you need is to prepare your compost and the sand, and you have all items to make a beautiful garden like this. This is S Healthcare CNM TV. Enjoy the music as you continue to watch this video, and do not forget to subscribe if you did not do it, and remember, share this video to others so that everyone enjoy this beautiful garden, and even get informed that you can have a beautiful garden which is playing a role of therapeutic effects. Thank you so much. This is S Healthcare CNM TV. We love you. inshuti zacu nkuko twarimo tubibabwira mu rurimi rw'icyongereza cyangwa ry'uruzungu, iyi garden mureba buri muntu wese yayikora. Ni garden itahinze mu murima nkuko musanzwe muzi imirima. Ni garden ihinze ahantu kwisima. Ariko se kwisima umuntu yahinga ate? Birashoboka cyane kuko twarabikoze, dufite ubunararibonye kubikora, ndetse hari n'umushinga twigeze gukora nuko tutamenye irengero ryawo, ariko twigeze kuwukora kugira ngo tube twakora ibintu nk'ibi ahantu hose h'urutare hashobora kubyazwa umusaruro. Umuntu akakora ubusitani bwiza cyane, ushobora guhingwamo imboga nk'izi zishishe nk'izi mubona, nk'icyo gisura mureba, ubusitani bwiza cyane bushobora guhingwa ahantu ku rutare. Yego, ku rutare rwose ukahahinga, ugakora ku buryo niba ari urutare rukomeye ushobora kubaka n'isima, ugakora ibintu bimeze nk'ama box, ubundi ugahingamo ibyo ushaka. Icyo ukeneye ni iki? Ni ibyatsi n'ibintu bikomoka ku biryo bisanzwe abantu baba bajugunye, bya birayi abantu bahata, bya bitoki, bya bijumba, bya bindi byose bisaguka mu rugo biba bigomba kujugunywa mu ngarani, ukabishyira mu mufuka. Na bya byatsi abantu bakata mu gihe cy'umuganda baba bakwiye kubifata bakabirunda ahantu hamwe, noneho bikabyazwa umusaruro wo gukoramo ifumbire yakoreshwa ahantu h'urutare hatari ubutaka. Nuvanga iyo fumbire imaze kubora, urayifata ukayivanga n'umucanga w'urusekabuye, umucanga uva mu mazi, ubundi ukaba ufite ubutaka bwiza cyane bwo guhingamo ikintu icyo ari cyo cyose. Noneho igisigaye ni ukuvomerera. Birumvikana ushobora gukoresha uburyo butandukanye bwo kuvomerera. Muri health care dufite uburyo bwinshi twabigisha bwo kuvomerera. Byo twakozeho ubushakashatsi, hari uburyo bwo gukoresha amajerekani, hari uburyo bwo gukoresha amacupa, hari uburyo bwo gukoresha amatiyo wakinstaraho, hari uburyo bwo gukoresha spray zisanzwe. N'uburyo bwinshi, hari uburyo bwinshi bwo kuvomerera bwakoreshwa kuri garden zitandukanye bitewe n'aho ziri, bitewe n'amazi ufite ayo ariyo n'aho uyakura, byose birashoboka. Ni ukuvuga ngo rero muri health care dushobora kubaha n'inama uburyo mwakora garden. Dushobora gukora iyo consultance. Ni ukuvuga ngo ibigo by'amashuri mushobora kutwegera tukabereka uburyo mwakora garden, tukabarekera, tukagirana contract, tukabibakorera, tukanabikurikirana. Ku bigo byihariye nabyo twabibafashamo. Ku madini, buriya buri torero ryose, buri dini ryagombye kugira garden y'icyitegererezo ku rusengero rwabo, kugira ngo abakirisitu babo cyangwa se n'abandi bantu b'abayoboke babo bashobore kumenya icyo bakwiye gukora. Turashimira cyane leta y'u Rwanda kudishishikariza abantu gukora uturima tw'igikoni, ariko ikibabaje ni uko birangirira mu kubivuga, ugasanga abantu ntago babyitaho. Nyamara abantu babyitayeho nibo babifitemo inyungu, kuko leta yibishyira muri politiki, ariko abantu bakabishyira mu bikorwa kugira ngo bibabyarire kugira ubuzima bwiza. Kuko nuba ufite imboga nziza iwawe mu rugo, ushobora kuzigurisha ukazibyaza amafaranga, ushobora no kuzirya zigatuma ubuzima bwawe buba bwiza, ugashobora gukora ukabona amafaranga. Iyo uriho ufite ubuzima ushobora gukorera amafaranga, rwose birashoboka. Nubwo kubona amafaranga kuri iki gihe bigoye, ariko umuntu uriho afite ubuzima aba afite icyizere cy'uko n'ibintu byose bishoboka ashobora kubigeraho. Izo ndimu mureba zihinze muri bwa butaka nabwo buri ku isima, ntabwo bihinze ahantu rwose h'ubutaka bwimbitse. Hano barabaza batari ko indimu tuzi ko igira imizi miremire, ubwo butaka iyo fumbire mwashyize yafatamo gute? Birashoboka rwose, muzaze tubibereke. Ushatse kuza kudusura nabwo urishyura. Ntabwo twemerera umuntu kuza kudusura gusa yitemberera, oya. Ushatse kudusura usaba rendezvous, ukishyura, ukaza ukadusura. Ni ukuvuga ngo wishyura, twumvikana bitewe n'igihe uramara uri gusura garden yacu, ukatwishyura, noneho tukaguha uburenganzira bwo kuza kuyisura, ukaba wanafotora, ukanayifotorezaho. Niko bimeze. Ndetse ukaba waniga n'uburyo nawe wagenda ukayikora nkayo da, birashoboka. Ubwo ni ukuvuga ngo ibigo by'amashuri, amadini n'amatorero, ibigo byihariye, amahoteli, amaresitora, abo bantu bose bashobora kutugana, bakaba badushaka kuri channel yacu, bakandika bagakomentinga kuri video, bakatubwira ko bakeneye gukora garden nk'iyi, noneho tukumvikana uburyo twabibafashamo tukaba twayikora. Urabona utwo tuntu turi mu garden dusa neza kandi imiti, iyo ni kamomiye, iyo turabyo tw'umweru kamomiye ifasha abantu babuze ibitotsi, igafasha kurwanya depression. Ako kandi mubona gafite uturabyo tugize tudutoya ni Artemisia annua, yoza umwijima ikaba yarinda na kanseri y'amabere. Murumva rero ko ntabwo ari ibintu gusa byo kureba, ahubwo birashimishije kubireba, ariko bikaba ari n'umuti. Ni ukuvuga ngo inama twaba, niba ushaka gukora ubusitani bwiza iwawe mu rugo, hitamo ibyo uhinga biragaragara neza, ubibonye wese akumva yifuje kubigira, ariko none uhitemo ibyo bukenere gukoresha nk'ibiryo nk'umuti isaha iyo ariyo yose. Hano mu rugo umuntu ukeneye kugira vitamine C ntabwo yirirwa ajya kure, ahita aza agafata umwenya, agafata kapusine, ubundi agahita byoza, yamara kubyoza akafata ka Artemisia gakeya, ubundi ugakora icyayi, ukaba uzi ko vitamine C ubibonamo. Ushobora no guhita ukora juice, guhita ushyira muri blender cyangwa ugashyira mu gasekuru, ugakamura ako gatobo kakanywa, ubwo vitamine C ukaba urayibonye rwose nta kibazo, nta n'ikiguzi kinini bigusabye. Ni ukuvuga ngo rero Health Care CNM TV ibereyeho kubakebura no kubereka buri kintu cyose gifite umumaro mwakoresha. Nibyo mwabyumvise neza, Health Care CNM TV ihari kugira ngo ibakebure kandi ibereke ibintu bifite umumaro mwakoresha. Ubwo buryo bwo kuvomera mabona, ubu buryo butwara amazi menshi cyane, turabufite, murabona turabukoresha rimwe na rimwe, ariko ubundi hari n'ubundi buryo bukoresha amazi make dukunze gukoresha bw'amacupa kugira ngo tugaburire gusa ikimera kimwe kimwe. Ariko uko mubona izi mboga ari nyinshi, buri mboga ntirwabona icupa duterekaho, niyo mpamvu dukoresha ubu buryo muri izo mboga, ariko ahandi dukoresha amacupa, dukoresha ubundi buryo bwo gutuma amazi atagenda ari menshi. Ubwo rero nka Health Care CNM TV ikwa na Health Care Consultants and Research Center, turabagira inama yuko mujye mukurikira amavideo yacu, muzungukamo byinshi, muzabona inama nyinshi, tuzajya tubereka iyi garden, tuzakomeza kuyibereka mu gihe cy'impeshyi kugira ngo tubakumbuze. Ubu tugiye kwinjira mu gihe imboga zigiye kubura, nyamara umuntu wamaze kwitegura ubarazifite tayari, ahubwo azatangira kujya zirya muri iyi mpeshyi. Utarazihinze nawe yashaka ingemwe agakora ubu buryo, kuko aracyari kare, ku buryo ukwezi kwa munani kwazagera nawe ufite imboga usorome iwawe ukarya. Birashoboka. Ntabwo twirengagije ko atashobora kujya, ariko aho bishoboka nyine mubikore, mugerageze, kuko icyo tubereho twe nukubereka ibifite umumaro kandi byabafasha, kuko imibiri yacu igizwe n'ibyinjiramo. Ni ukuvuga ngo imibiri kugira ngo ibeho ni ibyinjiramo, ni ibyo turya bigize imibiri. Kubw'ibyo rero umubiri utagaburiwe ibiwufasha, mujya mwumva bababwira ngo hari ibyubaka umubiri, ibitera imbaraga n'ibirinda indwara, ariko si ibyo bintu bivahe, nta handi, ni muri izi mboga, mu binyabijumba, mu mbuto n'ibindi biribwa. Aho niho harimo iryo banga babwira ngo mu biryo habamo ibyubaka umubiri, ibitera imbaraga n'ibirinda indwara. Ariko tubibutse yuko cyane cyane izi mboga n'izi ndabyo mureba zo zishinzwe kurinda indwara no kubaka umubiri, nicyo kintu zikora cyane. Ntabwo ibi bitera imbaraga, ntabwo izi mboga zitera imbaraga rwose, ariko byakurinda indwara bikanubaka n'umubiri, kuko harimo imyunyungugu, harimo n'amavitamine, ndetse hakabona n'ama-phytochemicals afasha immune system kwirwanaho. Yego mwabyumvise neza. Turongera tubibutse ko ipapayi iriwe ikucagurika, idahiye, idasaye, niyo nziza, niyo buri muntu wese tumugira inama kuba yakoresha kugira ngo agire ubuzima bwiza. Umwenya kunywa mu cyayi ni mwiza cyane. Murabizi ko n'abantu bajya muri sauna, umwenya bashobora kuwufata bakawushyira mu mazi ashyushye cyangwa muri za mashini bakiyuka umwuka wayo bikabafasha gutuma ubwonko buruhuka kubera gahumuro kawo. Igisura muzi uburyo gifasha kuri byinshi twarakivuze. Ikindi kintu gikomeye ku gisura nuko izo ndabyo zacyo, izo ndabyo mubona zifasha kurinda impyiko gupfa. Kubw'ibyo rero abantu baba bari ku miti ikaze bashoboye kubona indabyo z'igisura, ariko simbabwiye ngo muzaze kuzinsaba kuko ntazo mfite, akadufite ni gakeya nako kwerekaniraho, ahubwo twabarangiraho mwazikura. Murakoze cyane. Iyi ni S Healthcare CNM TV, turabakunda. Ibyo tubona byose bifite umumaro, bishobora kugirira umumaro abantu, tubibereka. Yego, tubibereka, basobanurira ibyo ari byo kandi na